Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And one of the things that I see often, and I've seen it a lot more with Windows 11 because of the TPM chip security thing, and also the processor or CPU requirements, because some older processors don't have some types of virtualization that helps in case, for example, of security, is Microsoft should just let us use Windows 11 as we wish and just let us deal with the security hazards. And that is something that I see also a lot in people saying, well, if I lose my Facebook account, doesn't matter, I'll create another one. Or the problem with that type of thinking is very simple, is that type of thinking is putting everybody at risk. That's why, no, it should not be done, and no, nobody should be left behind. People using Windows 7 thinking that they're safe and that their good antivirus will save them and that they know what they're doing is an example, perfect example of they have no idea what they're doing and they don't know what security is all about. Nothing protects Windows 7 without its updates. It's as simple as that, and it's putting everybody at risk. Well, if we let go of higher security, like Windows, and let's hope Microsoft is serious about that. If they are, yes, we need to have Windows 11 with improved security and in every way possible. And no, you cannot let people just decide if they want or not a certain security. It's not the way it works, because if you are, not secure, if you're not taking precautions, once again, you're putting everybody at risk. It's not just you. And that is one of the major issues. And it has to do with the fact that we're all interconnected. We all are on the internet. And that anybody's security problems becomes everybody's security problems. That's why ransomware, that's why phishing scams are going well. Because part of it is careless people that don't do what is needed to stay safe. Careless people thinking that, it doesn't matter if I go and watch that illegal movie or download that illegal software with a crack to have it work. This is the perfect example of people getting really bitten by malware because of not really knowing what they're doing and being careless, actually. So that's why everybody's security is important. And that's why, yes, better security is needed and important for the future of computing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.